Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access your 2025 YouTube recap. So, if you've been trying to view it and it's not showing up, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's start. First, open any browser you use on your phone. Now tap the search bar at the top and type youtube.com/recap. I'll also leave this link in the description. Once the page loads, you'll see a screen that says, "Looking for your 2025 recap." Go ahead and tap open YouTube and it should redirect you straight to the YouTube app. Now here's the important part. For a lot of people, this feature isn't loading yet for them. Even if you tap open YouTube, the recap doesn't appear, and if you check on X or Reddit, you'll see many users complaining about the exact same issue. So don't worry, it's not just you. YouTube has already responded and they said the 2025 recap is rolling out globally throughout the week. That means if you don't see yours yet, you just need to wait a little bit. It should show up automatically once the rollout reaches your account. In the meantime, let's make sure your app is ready. Open the Google Play Store or App Store. Tap the search bar and type YouTube. Select the YouTube app and check if there's an update available. If there is, tap Update. The recap might not appear on older versions of the app, and that's it. The feature should appear soon as YouTube completes the rollout. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments for more tips.